guys, Mixed Media Girl here. Happy 4th of July. So we're going to do a red, white, and blue themed painting here, and I'm going to do it with marbles. Now, I've been told not to use more than one marble, but I'm a bit of a rebel, so I'm going to go ahead and try it. I finally found my marbles. I got these from the dollar store. So I was thinking about doing it as a dirty pour, but the colors can tend to get kind of blended when you do that, so I figured I would do it actually as a series of puddles. Because if you've used red and white before, you know that that makes pink. Red and blue will make purple, etc. So we'll still get some of those, but this way hopefully it'll stay just a little bit more separate. I'm just going to set that down there. That's at least the intention. See what happens. If anything, we'll have some fun, okay? All right. So this is going to probably take a bit because I'm not going to be pouring super fast. I'm just going to go ahead and cycle through these colors. I am also going to add a little bit of gold in here. But I think this will come out awesome. So I'll go ahead and speed this part up. All right, so currently this looks like a bit of a hot mess, but here we go. Let's see what happens. Now, why I was told not to use a bunch of marbles is that they will eventually just meet together on the canvas, and then it'll just be one big lump of marbles. But I feel like maybe because this is a smaller canvas, they won't really have time to do that, but it's funny, you can actually see them kind of moving together as if there was some magnetic force. Oh, lost one. That's okay. Yep, and now they are together. So it was actually Lee from Massey Art who told me that. I'm gonna peel one of these out. And he was completely right. I had to try for myself though. I'm gonna just leave one in here. So that way we won't get too much blending, because I'm really happy with the color separation so far, while we're still getting some really cool designs. And if those marbles are all together, we're gonna get a lot of blending. So the canvas is fully covered. I'm just moving this around to my liking. Let's go ahead and do a little twirl. Oh yeah, that's so fun. If you guys haven't tried this yet, guys, definitely do. It may quickly become one of my favorite techniques because I already love a wreck-a-ring technique, and this is pretty similar. All right, I think I'm gonna go around one more time. Nope, it's done. All right, I can still tilt a little bit though. I do want to tilt. I have a little bit of a big blue section over here that I didn't want as much. There we go. I think that's awesome. And the colors actually stayed beautifully separate, which I'm really happy about. Over here, we definitely got some purple and pink where those marbles all started to go together. But overall, it stayed really separate and awesome. So let's go ahead and do a close-up. All right, look at this awesomeness. Lots and lots of red, white, and blue. Put maybe a little more gold in there than I had intended, but I love the way that it's offsetting the other colors. And beautiful color separation. I love my twirly lines in here. And just so much fun. I think this would be a great game with like a group of people to see who could keep the marble on the canvas the longest or something like that. But I like it. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, you can do this with any colors that you want. I definitely recommend going with one marble. I just had to try it with multiple just to see for myself. And to my fellow Americans, happy 4th of July, happy Independence Day. I'll see you all next time.